hello to everyone. At the moment I am in Wilson Prom National Park. This is actually the southeast part of Australian continent. It's a huge area, green area. You can see these beautiful hills everywhere and a lot of wildlife. So this is the reason to ride a little bit slower now, because there are many signs for kangaroos, and of course I don't want to make any accidents. And yeah, I started today from Geelong, and so until here I've got around 300 kilometers. My friend Milen from Bulgaria met me in Lang Lang, and we're riding together here. He's with this GS 1200 Adventure. You're gonna see it now. Very good guy. And I just advise him to come here and see this place, because as I said, this is the southeast part of Australian continent. Very beautiful area, perfect for hiking, walking around, wildlife viewing, and many more different activities. It was actually point of my trip, place which one I want to see, and we're getting closer to the edge, maybe a few more kilometers. And here on the top we were on around 3 to 4, maybe 500 meters above the sea level, and now we go down, and maybe after that we'll go up again. Wonderful area, perfect roads, very nice for riding. Look at now this. Oh, huh? Nice, huh, guys? Oh man, wonderful place. No traffic. I really hope that at the last point, the last village, they will have petrol station, because so far I've got, as I said, 310 kilometers, and I'm not sure that I will have enough petrol to go back into Foster. The Foster was the last town where I saw petrol station, but I'm sure there will be options at the end. Wonderful place, wonderful place. And the road is so great. And the weather today, the forecast was raining, but actually I haven't seen any rain. Most of the time was absolutely perfectly sunny. Here now is a bit cloudy, but it's still maybe between 12 and 15 degrees. What a place, what a place. Oh man, wonderful, wonderful. I'm so glad that I came here to see it. See how wild it is. Look at this. It is very windy, but it is what it is. You cannot have coast road without wind. Oh man, see where the road is going? Excellent. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna turn off the camera now. Just wanted to show this place. Make sure that you subscribed and wait for the detailed videos. Over there you'll be able to see everything. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you next time. Ciao.